Gates open, that up and racing. Tiger Song draws for their lead. Commodity running by the rail. In between runners, Magic Minx moving up on the outside. Is Queen Star, Royal Biba, Our Solemn Prayer also moving up. Then comes Diamond Dane. Moving up is entry number 5, San Tantoni, followed now by entry number 7, Tatara. And running at the tail of the field is King Manjel. Heading towards the last 600, Tiger Song in command, followed by Commodity in second. Queen Star down in third. Moving up now to take fourth is Our Solemn Prayer. Royal Biba also closing in. Magic Minx by the rail and Sant'Antone as they race to the last 450. Commodity now takes command over Tiger Song in second. Queen Star is on the outside. Moving up, Magic Mix. Sant'Antone also closing in. Our Solemn Prayers on the outside. With the last 200 meters more to run. Commodity, a long shot. Our Solemn Prayer is on the outside. Commodity, Our Solemn Prayer, Queen Star, and finally a long shot. Commodity, Our Solemn Prayer, Queen Star, Sant'Antone, Royal Biba, Magic Mix, Tiger Song, then comes Tatara. Number 1, King Manjo, and Diamond Dane comes in last.